What if a vehicle was not just a machine, but a complete lifestyle experience designed around comfort, intelligence, and pure luxury? Today on Samurai Auto Works, we are presenting something truly extraordinary. The all-new 2026 Nissan Elgrand Pearl White. A luxury machine that redefines family travel, executive comfort, and futuristic driving. From its bold exterior design, to its VIP interior experience, to intelligent safety systems and extreme environment performance, this is not just a car review. This is a cinematic journey through luxury, power, and innovation. So stay with us, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at modern vehicles. The front view of the 2026 Nissan Elgrand Pearl White immediately commands attention. A wide, powerful chrome grille dominates the face of the vehicle, giving it a royal road presence. The pearl white metallic paint glows under cinematic lighting, reflecting elegance from every angle. Sharp LED matrix headlights stretch across the front like futuristic blades, creating a signature identity that feels both aggressive and refined. The aerodynamic bumper design adds depth and strength, balancing luxury with performance. This is not just a front design. This is a statement of authority, elegance, and innovation combined into one masterpiece. At the rear, the Elgrand continues its premium identity. A clean and modern tailgate design reflects Japanese minimalistic luxury philosophy. LED tail lamps stretch horizontally, giving a wide and stable visual stance on the road. Chrome accents subtly enhance the rear elegance without overwhelming the design. The Elgrand branding sits confidently at the center, representing prestige and engineering excellence. Even from behind, this vehicle looks like it belongs in a luxury executive convoy. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan Elgrand is engineered for smooth performance and refined power delivery. The engine bay is clean, modern, and intelligently organized. Advanced hybrid-ready architecture ensures efficiency without compromising performance. Cooling systems, wiring layout, and mechanical precision all reflect Nissan's commitment to durability. This is not an engine built for noise or aggression. It is built for silent strength and smooth confidence. The Elgrand sits on premium alloy wheels designed for stability and elegance. Multi-spoke wheel design enhances its luxury appeal while ensuring road grip and balance. Wide tires provide strong traction on highways, city roads, and challenging environments. Every rotation feels smooth, controlled, and perfectly balanced. These wheels are not just functional. They are part of the luxury identity. Step inside, and the world outside completely disappears. The cabin of the 2026 Nissan Elgrand Pearl White feels like a private luxury lounge. Soft premium leather wraps every seat with comfort and elegance. Ambient lighting flows gently across the interior, creating a calming atmosphere. Wood trim and brushed metal accents add richness and depth to the design. The space is wide, quiet, and extremely comfortable. This is not just transportation. This is a moving luxury sanctuary. The dashboard represents the future of intelligent driving. A fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time vehicle data with clarity and precision. A wide infotainment screen sits at the center, offering navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Touch-sensitive panels glow softly in low-light conditions. The steering wheel integrates smart controls for convenience and safety. Every element is designed for modern driving ease and futuristic control. Luxury and technology are perfectly merged here. The rear seating area is where true VIP luxury begins. Executive captain seats offer full recline functionality with massage support. Passengers can stretch, relax, or sleep during long journeys. Personal climate control and ambient lighting enhance comfort further. The cabin becomes a private relaxation zone on wheels. This is not just seating. This is first-class airline comfort inside a vehicle. Safety in the Elgrand is intelligent and always active. Advanced collision avoidance systems continuously scan the environment. Radar sensors, cameras, and AI-based detection systems work together in real time. Lane assist helps maintain perfect road positioning. Automatic emergency braking activates when necessary. It is like having a silent digital guardian protecting every journey. In the desert, the Elgrand transforms into a cinematic beast. Full-speed motion across golden sand dunes creates a dramatic visual experience. Sand flows behind the vehicle as it maintains strong stability. The pearl white paint reflects sunlight beautifully across the desert landscape. Despite the harsh terrain, control remains smooth and confident. Luxury meets extreme adventure here. In heavy rainfall, the Elgrand becomes a cinematic masterpiece. Raindrops slide across the body while wipers maintain visibility. Headlights cut through the storm with glowing intensity. Tires grip the wet surface with precision and safety. Inside, the cabin remains calm, dry, and peaceful. This contrast between outside chaos and inside comfort defines true luxury engineering. In snowy conditions, the Elgrand shows its refined stability. Snow gently covers the pearl white body, blending elegance with nature. Traction systems ensure smooth movement over icy roads. The interior remains warm and softly illuminated. It feels like a luxury cocoon moving through a winter landscape. On highways, the Elgrand delivers effortless cruising. Smooth acceleration, stable suspension, and silent cabin experience define the ride. Long-distance travel becomes relaxing rather than exhausting. Passengers enjoy comfort while the vehicle handles the journey with ease. This is where the Elgrand feels most natural. Parked outside a modern luxury villa, the Elgrand looks perfectly aligned with premium living. Its pearl white finish blends beautifully with architectural elegance. It represents success, comfort, and modern lifestyle sophistication. A true symbol of luxury ownership. In front of a grand palace-style mansion, the Elgrand looks royal. Lighting reflects off chrome accents and polished surfaces. The vehicle becomes part of a prestigious environment. It represents status, power, and elegance. Now imagine the Elgrand in a modern charging environment. Connected to a futuristic fast charging station. Soft LED indicators glow as energy flows into the system. Digital displays show charging progress in real time. The environment feels clean, silent, and highly advanced. This represents the future of mobility, where luxury meets sustainability and smart energy technology. Even while charging, the Elgrand maintains its premium identity. And that completes our cinematic journey with the 2026 Nissan Elgrand Pearl White. From elegant city streets, to deserts, rain, snow, and highways, to luxury villas, palaces, and advanced charging stations, this machine proves one thing. Luxury is not just about design. It is about experience, comfort, intelligence, and emotion. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase, don't forget to right finger subscribe to Samurai Auto Works. Right finger like this video. Right finger comment your favorite view. Right finger and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Because here at Samurai Auto Works, we don't just showcase cars. We bring machines to life. Until next time, stay premium, stay powerful, stay samurai.